In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn points using the Amex Gold Card. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just someone looking to maximize your spending, this guide will walk you through the process of understanding and leveraging the benefits of the Amex Gold Card effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the American Express website. This is the central hub for everything related to Amex, from credit cards to rewards and banking. You'll find everything you need right here, laid out in an intuitive and user-friendly manner. Once you're there, you'll want to focus on the business section. You'll usually find a tab or a link that directs you straight to their business offerings. American Express provides an array of options tailored specifically for business needs, so it makes sense to start right there. Once you click on the business section, you'll navigate to a new page featuring various business-related services offered by Amex. Here, you'll notice a specific section for business cards. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a page displaying different cards tailored for business users. Each card has its own unique set of benefits and reward structures, allowing you to select one that matches your particular business needs most closely. Next, you're interested in finding the Business Gold Card, which is our focus for today. Go ahead and click on the Business Gold Card option. This card is particularly popular for its rewarding point earning structure, catering especially to frequent business expenses. With the Business Gold Card, you're setting yourself up for a seamless way to earn points on the purchases you are likely to make frequently. Once you're on the Business Gold Card page, scroll down. You'll come across detailed information on how this card allows you to earn points. Typically, with the Business Gold Card, you can earn a set rate of points per dollar spent in various categories, which may often include key business expenditure areas like advertising, flights, and dining, but it's always good to check the latest offers as these categories could change. By taking advantage of these multipliers, you can significantly boost the points you earn, making every purchase more rewarding. This setup is designed to ensure you're getting the most out of every dollar spent by aligning your business expenses with the categories that make the most sense for your situation. In essence, it's not just about spending, it's about spending smartly to rack up those points efficiently. By following these steps, you're well on your way to making informed decisions that will enhance the benefits you receive from your Amex Gold Card. Understanding these details can certainly empower you to earn more points, turning your everyday business expenses into valuable rewards. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy maximizing the benefits of your Amex Gold Card.